Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PK Kite Gaming. Back for another video. I'm not doing an unboxing video, not a Brawl Stars video. This is a survival game called Among Us. So Among Us is a game which you have a person called imposter and crewmates. So basically, I'm going to teach you guys how to play as an imposter. So I don't know whether I'll be an imposter. Well, let's see my luck. Because imposter means you will have a red name. Like on your name, you will have red color font, which means you have to kill others and you can sabotage things, which will be easy for you guys if you're a new. But when you're killing someone, try not to kill them near a person, or just like if that person is solo, just kill him. And when there is a lot of people, you have an advantage to kill one person, and then you have to, when they're discussing means voting out on someone. So if you guys vote on, basically if I vote on you and other people vote on you too and you're the imposter, it means you die. Because and this game is played by everyone. So guys, this is a free game and I don't know why did I come out. Okay, now let's go. So okay, now I'll teach you guys how to play as in crewmate mostly. Yeah, I don't know whether I'm a crewmate. I'm going to teach you guys how to play as a crewmate. So guys, as you can see in the left side, there's something called task. So if you're a crewmate, you have to complete those tasks. If all the crewmates complete task, they like all the okay. So the imposter has sabotaged this thing. Good. Okay guys, let's go to the storage. Okay, it's right over here. Use it. So if you finish the task, you can easily win. Like, and the imposter can do this task, but it will be a fake task for them. Okay, the imposter is the okay. I'm locked. The imposter locked me, guys. Wow. Okay. The imposter had locked this. Okay, let's go to the electrical and check. See, guys, imposter will kill you. Now, when you're dead, you cannot vote, as it already did. But if you're in a Discord call, also you cannot tell, because you're dead. So what you'll do is just take calm. It's a self-report. So guys, crewmates are, I taught you guys how to play as a crewmate, which is easy to play, guys. Now, I don't know why are they not muted. Oh, guys, I taught you guys how to play as a crewmate. Now mostly I'll teach you guys how to play as an imposter. Okay. Mostly I can be an imposter. If that's the case, I'm ready. Because join this game on time, just change the color to this. Okay, let's go. So if if there are 3 people imposter, means you have a good chance to be an imposter. Right now I'm a crewmate. I'm just gonna teach you guys. I'm just gonna be playing and I'm gonna teach you guys how to play as an imposter. So guys, imposters will have fake tasks to do. So fake tasks meaning like what tasks we do, like that. But they cannot do it properly. These people can sabotage the oxygen. Like, see guys, this is the reason. I think I suspect this guy too. 811. So guys, as you know, I was talking about imposters. And yeah, they will have a red font in their name. So that like, you have to like, okay, already a dead body. So this person was killed by, I think it's a self-report. So I'm just gonna put red because I suspect him. And yeah, imposters, if you're an imposter, you kill someone and you self-report, you should like act not suspicious that you're the imposter. And if people don't vote you, it means you are survived. And if you are an imposter and you kill like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people out of 9, 8 of 10, as you are one, if only one crewmate is left, it means you're one. You are the imposter as one. See guys, this guy was an imposter. So like, if you vote out a person, it's easy. Okay, suddenly again. Let's go to electrical and then we'll check. Wow. Lights are back. Let's do this. Okay, up. See guys, as you know that I talked about imposters and crewmates. Now, the most important thing in this game is about surviving. Never do it on a Discord call, because if you do it as a Discord call, it's the most difficult thing. Now like and subscribe, and I'll make another Among Us video or Roblox video. Thank you guys. Bye.